Hello dear kids, welcome to our channel Kids Storyland. Today I'm going to tell you about a noble hearts, a tale of Prince Edward and the Blacksmith. So let's get started. Once upon a time, in the rich tapestry of England's history, there lived a young prince named Edward. He was born into a life of privilege and luxury, with servants attending to his every need and tutors guiding him in the ways of royalty. But despite his lavish surroundings, Edward felt a sense of emptiness within him. He longed for something more meaningful than the trappings of his royal status. Determined to find his purpose, he embarked on a journey beyond the palace's walls, seeking wisdom and understanding. During his travels, Edward encountered people from all walks of life, peasants to merchants, soldiers to scholars. Each shared their stories and imparted their knowledge, opening Edward's eyes to the diverse tapestry of his kingdom. One day, while wandering through a bustling marketplace, Edward met a humble blacksmith named Thomas. Despite his modest station, Thomas possessed a wealth of wisdom and kindness that resonated with the young prince. In their conversations, Thomas spoke of the importance of humility, compassion, and service of others. He taught Edward that true greatness is not measured by the size of one's kingdom, but by the depth of one's character and the impact they have on the lives of others. Inspired by Thomas' words, Edward returned to the palace with a newfound sense of purpose. He dedicated himself to serving his people with empathy and integrity, striving to make a positive difference in their lives. As he grew older, Edward became known as a fair and just ruler, beloved by his subjects for his compassion and wisdom. And though he had been born a prince, it was his humility and kindness that truly made him noble in the eyes of history. The moral of the story is that true greatness lies not in the titles or wealth, but in the kindness and compassion we show to others. And it is through service and humility that we can leave a lasting legacy of love and goodness in the world.